When you're labeling a data table, it's helpful to think about the question that you're trying to answer, as well as the two variables that you're using in your experiment. One of the examples you've been working with is how does the amount of fertilizer affect the height of a plant? So the independent variable, the thing that we're changing or manipulating or that we're trying to understand, is the amount of fertilizer. The thing that's going to depend on how much fertilizer is the height of the plant. So you would usually on the left-hand side enter in things related to the independent variable, in this case, different amounts. You saw in the video that there should be a control group that doesn't get any of the item that you're testing. So this one would get no fertilizer. The next column might have, or the next row might have 25 grams of fertilizer, 50, 75, and finally 100. Now, of course, you would have to have different tests. So this top of your data table, going here above each column, would be related to your dependent variable. Now, of course, we'd want to take a look at more than one data point, because the more pieces of information you draw into it, the more tests you do, the better your results are going to be. So for instance, we might want another column, and we might want to look at the height of the plant after 2 weeks. And of course, we'd want to include our measurement unit, centimeters, and so on. Maybe we want to look at it again after 3 weeks. And of course, so on. And then you'd have a really nice data table set up where all you have to do then is make your measurements and place them into the appropriate spot.